Hello everyone, we are going to do the Vitiligo patch cover up, white patch cover up on the skin. So we have done a patch test for him and it's got successful, so we are planning to do the remaining places of his body. So this like places we are going to do, and we are going to cover it up with the exact skin tone. So as you can see, the process has been started now. We are trying to match it up with the exact tone of his exact link tone, and I usually will be make a one tone darker than actual skin tone. So when we do that, we get to know exactly like how this process is working. And if you guys have any more doubts regarding this vitiligo treatments, please do watch my previous videos. I have explained all the things about scientifically, and even though if you wanted to get any personalized result, you can have a one-on-one call with me, and you can contact my team. They can help you out to have a one-on-one call with me if you want to do any consultations regarding this. I'm really happy to be help you out. They will give you that link to you. You can book an appointment with me for the one-on-one consultation. I can be help you out with all the details. And I would like to tell you, please book an appointment before visitor, so in that way we can provide you the much more better output. As you can see, we are matching it up with the exact skin tone. You couldn't even able to find out the difference between where the white patch was there and where was the normal skin. So that's how this treatment will be really helpful. And this treatment, as I said, you have a 80 to 90% of the success rate, which many of them can't able to provide in their treatment style. That's why it's really special comparing with the other treatment of the vitiligo, and it's a least maintenance one. You no need to do the lot of maintenance when you do this. It's a quite easy maintenance one, and you no need to worry about much of it. And if you guys have any more doubt regarding this, please do contact us. Our contact number has been mentioned on the display. Our team will be really happy to help you out. And most of the times clients used to ask us, can I continue with my tablets and the medicines which I'm having it for the vitiligo? Yeah, if your doctor asked you to continue, please do continue, no problem at all. But if you are a person applying any creams or any therapies, if you are going to do on top of this white vitiligo patch, then we recommend for you to stop that for another 2 weeks to 1 month, because of this healing duration. Once the healing happened completely, then you can proceed and do it, continue again if you wish to, no problem at all. But we recommend once it's done, you don't need to do all those creams, because you will be getting your exact skin color back, so you don't need to worry about it. And then the most important thing is, many of the clients especially travels around from the different states or the different world. They are asking us to do the full body treatment at the first sitting itself. We are ready to do, but it's completely on your risk, because we always recommend our client to be go ahead with the patch test first. Once the patch test has been successful, we'll always recommend our clients to be go ahead and get it done on the remaining places of the body. But on the first sitting itself, if you like to get it done, then it's completely on your wish. You can be go ahead, and we are happy to do it, but the risk is completely on you. There are a chances you may get output, there are a chances 10% of the chances you might not get output also, but you need to be take care of it. And apart from that, when you do this vitiligo treatment, most of the times we used to say to our client that have a good food before coming for the treatment, because when you have a good food and the good rest, your peace of mind will be good. Some of the times the people comes from the different states, we used to get a food from in our studio itself, so that you will be get little more brisk throughout the process. You won't be feel little tired and all. And in this video, the process is getting so good, and we are matching it up with the exact skin tone. As you can see, you can't even find a difference between where was the vitiligo patch was there. That's how we do the exact treatment. Many of them thinking that it's similar to the tattoo, but it is not. It's completely different from the tattoo. Not every other tattoo artist or the amateur people can't able to do this. It requires a special skill to done this particular treatment. So our artists in our studio, they are done a certification from American Academy of Micropigmentation, and they are experienced in it. And our head artist, head senior Suresh Machu sir, is one of the member in American Academy of Micropigmentation. He is the most experienced person over there. If you would like to have a one-on-one consultation with him, yes, you can have it to call, and you just call to this number above in the screen. They will be arranged with the one-on-one call with him. They will share you the link. You can only book it with him the date and time which is convenient to you. He will explain you all the scientific reasons behind it or what are all the doubts you have it. You can clear with him, then you can book an appointment for the vitiligo treatment or the patch test. I think that will be really helpful for the people who travels from different places. That will be really helpful for them to understand what are all the things they need to do to move it to the next level. And I hope this video is really helpful for you guys. And many of them asking what inks we are using it to throughout this treatment. We are using a vegan inks which is certified, and we don't use any of the normal tattooing ink. If you get it done the treatment by normal tattooing ink, then there are a lot of chances your place will start to become a gray or blackish skin tone. There are a chances it will be turns into the purplish tone also. So don't risk your skin by all these amateurs and then the other inks, non-quality inks. So here we are specifically using this quality ink which is made for this micropigmentation treatment, so that you will be get the exact output of your skin color. And most of the time the artist will not be available for doing this treatment because they will be all booked it. So please book an appointment before visiting us. That will save a lot of time for you. At the same time we can be able to provide much more better service to you all. As of now we are doing this treatment only in our Bangalore branch, not in any other branch. So maybe in the sooner days we'll be started doing it in other branches also, and we'll be update to you in our video. Please do subscribe our channel to get the lot of updation regarding this vitiligo treatment, as well as what are the latest techniques, because we are keep upgrading to the latest techniques, because we are the people teaching it to other students how we need to do this treatment. So we know what are all the latest technologies doing it, and we are in the R&D team also. So as you can see, it's exactly got matched. You can see the picture also. I'm signing off. Don't die nude.